Waterloo is an improved board game version of the book game called Waterloo Solitaire from Worthington. This version does not only include solitaire play, like was the case for the original book game, but also features a fully functional two-player mode. You just click the appropriate button and the game will automatically set up. So, if we want to play the French solitaire game, we choose the blue player color and click the blue button to start play. The first thing we do in a turn is to select one of our activation cards we have on our card track and choose one action on the card. Once we have chosen our activation card and our action, the next step is to determine the bot action, as you can see on the solitaire sequence of play. To do this, we roll a die. Rolling a die can be done by clicking on the blue Roll button. Based on this roll, we apply the bot action, because in a solitaire game, the bot action is always carried out before the player action. Now we execute the chosen player action by rolling the die and using the appropriate results table, taking into account dice roll modifiers if applicable. Then we apply the result of our die roll on the game board. Unit blocks are discarded by putting them in the appropriate bag. We also discard the played activation card by putting it on the discard pile. Then we mark the activation card we just played on our card track with the blue disc, so we remember not to use this card in the next turn, as you cannot use the same activation card twice in a row, as can be seen on this in-game player aid. Finally, we move the turn marker by clicking on the turn counter and start a new turn. This is just the basic gameplay. More options and tactical maneuvers like combined arms tactics and special commander abilities can be found in the manual, which is included in the game. Before you play a two-player game, we strongly recommend to play a solitaire game first, to get familiar with the game mechanics, which are not difficult to learn. Thank you for watching the video and enjoy the game.